Hey besties, welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to finish up this Neverfull series. We are going to be comparing the upside down Neverfulls and also the beautiful Epi leather Neverfulls that I told you guys about. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys should know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want.
Okay besties, I am so happy to get back to the regular scheduled uploads. Don't deal with scammers, okay? Don't even talk to them. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, I am so happy. I told you guys last month that it's going to be a wave of Neverfulls. We are still not done with Neverfulls for 2024. But I wanted to speak on this. You guys, if you saw my last video, I think it was the video before, I spoke on the upside down Neverfulls. They are coming out in the MM and also the BB size. The MM size will not have the pochettes, but we are getting the bandolier straps, which I don't agree with, but LV, they do what they want to do. They don't listen to us. But the Neverfull BB, we are getting the pochette and the bandolier straps. I am just concerned with the size. I am not a Neverfull BB owner, okay? So let's get that straight. So we spoke on that. So recently, Info provided us with better pictures. Some of you guys reached out to me and basically stated you thought the upside down collection was Epi leather, but guys, no, you see that it's leather. We are getting 4 Epi leather Neverfull MMs, and it does come with the pochette, but the pochette is canvas. It's monogram canvas. Let me know how you feel about that. I mean, I don't know. I love my Epi leather. A lot of people complain about Epi leather, but I love my 2 Epi leather Armor BBs that I have in my collection. Does anyone, I'm not sure, I've only been rocking LV I think like 5 or 6 years. I'm pretty sure there's never been an Epi leather pochette, okay? A pochette. So I'm thinking they took that away for a certain reason. Or, I don't know, maybe they went the cheap route and gave us canvas. I don't know, but we will not have an Epi leather pochette that comes with the Epi leather Neverfull MM, okay? So I am going to go through each one because, guys, like I said, I absolutely love Epi leather. So I want you to let me know in the comments, are you team upside down or team Epi leather Neverfull? And I'm only speaking on the MM size, okay? So let's first talk about this beautiful green color. It's different than the green Armor that I have. Mine is more of the spring color, and I'm going to go and grab it in a little bit. But this is money green for me. This is money green. To me, it's a fall handbag, but we're not going to lock it into a season, okay? Because I love the color green. You can wear this. You can rock this all year long. For you guys that have an issue with Epi leather, please leave it in the comments. I'm just not getting it, okay? So we have this beautiful green color here. I absolutely love it. I love the green, and I also love the monogram paired with this handbag. I have no issues with the monogram pochette. It's just a simple fact that I have multiple monogram pochettes in my collection already, okay? I love them. They're quick, easy grab and go items. You can put your, your keys, your small wallet in there. You don't have to bring your whole bag with you. So I have no issues with pochettes. It's just some fact, I'm wondering if we got robbed here. Did we get robbed here? So you guys let me know how you feel about this green color and the monogram pochette. You know we also have to go into details. The inside is the smooth microfiber material. I love when they give us this material inside of our handbags. But guys, do you notice something about the pochette? They are now putting the D-ring on the opposite side of the zipper. Guys, we can convert. So I'm honestly thinking this is just a new thing that LV has going on. They see that we are converting, and it's something they're just implementing in, you know, into all their designs when it comes to pochette. And I also noticed, guys, this is silver hardware. Okay, silver hardware with this green, so we are not getting the shiny gold, and I have no issues with silver at all. Here is my beautiful Epi leather. This green here, like I said, two different greens. I love both of them because I love the color green. Okay, but this is more of like a money green. It's a low key. This right here is a more vibrant green, okay, and it still has the beautiful silver hardware as well. Okay, so yeah, two different greens, and I have no issues. Silver hardware. So you guys let me know how you feel. And the actual name of the collection, I want to get that right, is the LV Neverfull MM Epi Heritage. Okay, it launches September the 20th. Whew, guys, just be ready. This isn't it for Neverfulls. I'm going to tell you that. It's not it for Neverfulls. Okay? So, let's move on. And also, how do you feel about cinching? You know, I know this is Epi leather. Do you think that would damage the Neverfull with this material, with this Epi leather, if we cinch that Neverfull in? I love cinching my Neverfulls in. I mean, this is Stacy right here. As you guys can see, I love cinching my handbags in for them just to appear smaller when I need them to be. So let me know how you feel about that. And I also want to talk about the black. Okay, black silver hardware. I am a fan of black handbags. You guys know this. I really don't. I don't own a black handbag with silver hardware. All of my black handbags are either all black, even the hardware is black, or gold hardware. So this is something that kind of caught my eye. I'm happy about this, but it does look plain. And so for those that, you know, if you're into quiet luxury, this is right up your alley. Just don't take the pochette out. But I mean, hey guys, it's the monogram. You know, we're going to know that it's LV. That's their signature. So if you're doing quiet luxury, just don't take the pochette out. And this, like I said, is giving silver hardware. I'm trying to see how this canvas, this monogram canvas, and this leather is going together. I don't know. I don't know if I like this ashy black gray inside the handbag. It's just so plain. I don't know. Do I think it should have been a color? I don't know, because it's silver hardware. Let me know how you feel about that. I don't like this ashy gray tone, but for me, it'll work because me and handbags, I like to throw around just a little bit. Yeah, you guys understand what I'm saying. I need an organizer for sure. Okay. The next I actually love as well, guys, is giving that cognac color, just like the Speedy that I have in my collection. Not the recent cognac collection, but closer to the one that was in 2021. And I'm looking at it now. It's a bit darker as well. But I want to say this, okay? And they have it mentioned as fauve. So whatever color that is, fauve. I'm going to say cognac, a darker cognac color. This is with gold hardware. Of course, smart move. I can't even see this with silver hardware. I love that the interior on this handbag matches the outside interior. Like I said, gold hardware. And I am loving the monogram canvas pochette with this, okay? I'm loving it with this. So I'm okay with the pochette being, you know, the monogram canvas with the Epi leather. I'm trying to see, do I like this more or the green? You guys let me know. Both of them are gorgeous. You know, the black to me is just giving too plain. If I want to get a black and silver handbag, I will go for something that basically say I have an LV handbag. Me, I don't like quiet luxury. You see this? You see everything I have? I don't like quiet luxury. I pay for my items, boom, you see me coming. That's just how I am, okay? This is as quiet as I'm going to get. I'm very loud, confident. I love it, okay? So you guys, let me know how you feel. Which color are you honestly into? And let's go over to this, because this rouge color, whew, this is nice, but it's so plain. This is giving us gold hardware as well. This is beautiful. Whew. This is beautiful. I'm okay with the pochette, the monogram canvas pochette with this color as well. Gold hardware, the microfiber interior inside, the color matches the outside of the bag. I have nothing to say bad about this handbag in this color. So the only one I'm really not feeling probably is the black. That's it. You guys let me know. Are you interested in this handbag for my Epi leathers? And if you're not, like I said, into Epi leather, let me know why. I can't see myself without this. I sold all of my canvas Alma BBs and I kept my Epi leather. Maybe it's because of the color. I don't know, but I can't see myself without my orange and green Epi leather Alma BB. So guys, putting these side by side, if you can only pick one, would you go with the upside down Neverfull MM? Because you won't have that pochette, but you will have that bandolier strap. And like they said, it's basically 2 handbags for the price of 1. And you can honestly take a pochette from your collection, guys. Even though, yes, this is leather, but you can take a canvas pochette from your collection that you already have, guys, and just add it. It's no big deal. Come on. But when we speak on the Epi Heritage Neverfull MM, it comes with a pochette, but it's just Epi leather and it doesn't have the bandolier strap. We have the tote strap where we can wear it over our shoulder or just carry it as a tote. So you guys let me know. I have been wanting to speak on this. I remember when I first started with LV, Neverfull was my favorite design handbag. Like, that was the best. I had over 18 Neverfulls, guys. I got rid of all of them. They became boring to me. But we are going to receive more Neverfulls. They are coming, okay? You guys haven't seen anything yet. That's why I keep telling you guys, wait until these bags hit the store. Go in, try them on, be patient. Be patient, because not only are we going to get hit with nice handbags from September going all the way until January. January, we're going to get hit hard. We are going to get hit hard. So guys, be patient. Pace yourself. Stay away from them cute handbags. Pace yourself. Don't buy a handbag because it's upside down and it's really inside out, because we have Neverfulls that we can turn inside out, and we don't need a bandolier strap, guys. We don't. We want it because it has color, but it is not adjustable. So for my tall divas, it's not gonna work anyway. So guys, you don't have to purchase these Neverfulls, because I'm telling you now, we have some heat coming, okay? We have some heat coming. So guys, let me know how you feel. Which one are you getting? You guys are going to do what you want to do anyway. I'm trying to help and let you guys know we are getting some nice handbags coming up here soon. And I also want to give you an update. I keep telling you guys, the Speedy 20, yes, is coming. But they keep playing with the dates. I keep hearing November, and then I hear December. They keep playing with the dates. I hear 3350, 3500. 3350, 3500. It's changing a lot. And just know, it is a Speedy 20, the size of a Speedy 20. They better quit playing. And they also include the word trunk. So we are going to be paying for the word trunk. So keep that in mind. But those are the two prices that I keep hearing. So they need to most definitely get the CAs in one room and talk to them and give them one price, because I'm hearing so many different things. Long as I don't hear, you guys are going to cancel, okay? That's it. So guys, let me know how you feel in the comments. Are you team upside down? Are you team Epi Heritage? I'm speaking on the Neverfull MM only. Let me know how you feel, and if you order the Neverfull BB, guys, you can share that as well. I want to know what you guys like and what you're interested in, okay? As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Bye-bye.